guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're doing an unboxing video of my Althea package, which is basically a skincare haul. Basically, all of my Christmas money went here. It has all of the things that I ordered. Before anything else, uunahan ko na kayo. Oo, mukha na akong manghuhula. Hindi ko alam. It's a very tita, very... This is our 2019 vibes, sis. Okay, but let's get right into the unboxing. This package took me around 1 week to 2 weeks. I was really excited. I was expecting it to come in sooner because for me, sanay ako sa BP M&L. It was usually same day shipping, next day shipping, 2-3 days at the latest. So I was really eager to receive this package, and as much as I wanted to use the package or the contents of this package already, I waited for this video, or waited myself so that I could film this video and I could finally use the product. So it comes in this box, as I told you guys, my bubble wrap siya. Smells new. Alam niyo, amoy ng mga department store. Says they're Althea. Ooh. Here is what it looks like. I got this Innisfree Apple Seed Cleansing Tissue. So this is my first time buying wipes from them. I have always wanted to try wipes that will really remove everything, won't leave tissue-like things on my face, will not feel oily, will not feel like it's so dry. I'm asking a lot from a cleansing tissue, but hopefully sana maganda tong makeup remover nila. Next one that I got is this one. This is what I was talking about. This Innisfree Green Tea Sleeping Mask. Let me give you guys the tea on this product. So it's so good. I bought yung mga tigfa 40 pesos na nabibili mo sa like Instagram store stuff, but you know it's legit, yung mga items is legit. So yung mga travel size 40 peso packets. So I got one of those, and one of them was this kasi this is part of parang ilang steps na masks or something pang night.
Dahil nagulat na ako, nagising ako talaga dahil mag-soft ba yung skin.
And I have really dry skin. Okay, so plastic. What it smells like. Parang yung mga pang spa. Low-key, parang yung mga pang spa. Okay. And now we have these two things that I got, which is basically a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Now next we have the COSRX Moisturizing Lotion with Birch Sap. May pasap-sap pa sila. Galing puno lang naman yan, mga COSRX has been highly recommended by a lot of my friends who have terrible skin as well. None of my friends have tried this moisturizing lotion, but I wanted to try that myself because the reviews are great and I need a good moisturizer, and so far nothing has been doing the trick. And I need something that's also lightweight, or parang that I can bring along with me. It has sort of like a glass packaging. Instructions are in Korean, so... Honey, what did you expect? Take a proper amount of lotion on the palm and gently pat on your face. Oh my god, paano ba ito buksan? Handy dandy mirror. It's always helpful to have. Oh! That's what it looks like. It's a bit watery. Oh. It smells so organic. Dude, it smells so organic. Dude, try to put that. Okay. I see you. It feels good. It smells so good. It feels... Whoa! Look how... I put a little amount, but it's doing... It's the coverage, sis. It smells very...
earthy and...
essential oilsy in one. Because I guess that's the birch sap that I'm getting. Helps skin hydrated and calmed. I feel calm, you know, and I'm sure my skin be feeling the same because it smells calming. It feels like medicine on my face. Not in the bad way. Like, it feels like it's supposed to really heal my skin. Like, it's not for beauty purposes. But This one, I have been looking for a really good sunscreen. I just stumbled upon it, I think, sa Althea itself, the site. This is the SPF 50 Eco Earth Powder. Bet ko siya kasi sa reviews, maganda ka ng mga reviews, mga moms. Kasi ayoko naman ng drying. Ayoko din yung may white shadow. Ano tawag doon? Yung namumuti yung face mo. Ayoko yun. And mukhang hindi naman ito ganun. Although it says pink sun cream. I like this because it has SPF 50 and that's very hard to find. But usually, ang makukuha mo lang SPF 30, SPF 20, minsan may 10 pa nga ata. So, sobrang ganda na may 50. So, this is also a Korean brand. Oh! Oh, it's huge! Look at that, this is my hand. That's big for a sunscreen, y'all! I'm happy! Oh, it's very sunscreen. Okay, medyo may pagka-pinkish. Ang bango! Parang may pabango. It smells good. It smells like a cologne. I think this is a great primer. I think it kinda widens your face. But I'm not entirely mad. Not sticky, and it feels moisturizing in a sense, but I know it also isn't drying. I like it. I love the packaging. It's smooth, and it feels good on my skin. And I'm definitely gonna, you know what? I'm gonna take a risk one time and maybe not use moisturizer and just use this. But anyway, guys, that was it. That was my Althea Korean products skincare haul. I don't know what the title of this video is yet. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try out these products and see if they live up to the hype, except for this one because I know it's good. Because I want to wake up with really nice moisturized skin. You know how to be. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, this has been my haul, and if you guys want more of these videos, do comment down below, or whatever you guys want in my next video, please say so. Happy 2019, Happy New Year! But before I end things off, I do want to say first of all about my Planaforma journey. Again, Planaforma has extended my stay or my plan with them, so I'm going to be doing more exercises this time. And Planaforma is great. I mean, they give you free stuff sometimes, free cookies. They have really cool merch that I want to try out myself. And they have really nice instructors. If you are a first timer there, they will always ask. And alam ko yun naman yung kinakatakutan nyo is gusto nyo mag-ganon. But you're like, I'm new, everyone seems to, you know, be used to it. People at the front desk are usually very, very nice. And again, the instructor will always ask for your name. If you guys have health issues or anything, they got you covered. Do not worry. They're not one of those people who are just gonna... There are some communities, especially when it comes to gymming and stuff like that and fitness, wherein they expect so much from you and they think that you're already part of the program. They don't even try to get to know you. But these people, they are really nice. You can always talk to them also after, etc., etc. So again, I recommend you guys going to the Radha branch. I'll probably be going there more often. So maybe we can come together. Anyway, follow all my social media accounts. That is at Aya Decuros everywhere and Aya Decuros page on Facebook, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!